Okay, so this is how I'm going to show you how to stretch when you get up out of bed. First thing first, you should have something in between your legs or underneath your knees if you're sleeping on your back. So we're going to get up and we're going to push ourselves up so we don't stress our back out, because it is tired just like you're tired. I'm going to take a quick inner search for myself and see what's tight and what's not tight. My lower back feels a little tight even though I had the pillow. My arms feel a little tight because I was kind of in fetal position, which is a comfortable position to be in, but it also shortens our muscles that we want to use throughout the day. So when we get up, I want to maybe do a quick stretch of the arms, open that chest, open my chin up, get everything in, take a deep breath. Now, if you're one of those people that wakes up instantly and has to use the restroom, please do so. Don't stretch and wait for your bladder to kind of say, okay, I really need to use the restroom now. Go to the bathroom, come back down and have a seat so you can wake your body up as much as you want to wake up your mind. So after I do a nice stretch of my chest in the morning and my anterior neck, because that's the one that really hurts, that's why we have pain here. After that, I'm going to stand up and put both feet on the floor at the same time evenly, like I tell a lot of my patients. Easy. And now I feel my lower back. It's a little tight, okay? So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to keep my bed here so I know that I have some good, if I'm not balanced enough in the mornings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my ceiling and I'm just going to reach. I'm just going to reach and reach and reach. So you should be feeling it in your ribs, and if your lower back is already tight, that's where it's going to be felt. So we're going to reach and reach and reach, keeping my feet down on the ground, nice and solid. I'm using my bed as a, just in case. Reach, 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 and do that until it doesn't hurt anymore, until you feel like it's nice and relaxed. And then you're going to reach again with the other side, once again keeping my feet firmly on the ground. Nice breath. Wake myself up a little bit more, and then I can do a little bit of this, nice and slow, just to help my lower back. And then, if you're somebody who cannot do this, I want you to turn around and get your foot on your bed. And so, how this is going to go is now you're just stretching here, because I was in fetal position. Now I want to open up the hips. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get everything opened here. We can add an arm thing if you want. If you feel stabilized, awesome. If you don't, then the bed will do just fine, and you just let it relax and shake it out. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. One side will most likely be tighter than the other. That's everybody. Don't worry about it. If you feel one side is tighter than the other, then just stretch it a little bit more. All right? So we can get back into bed and do some hamstring stretches. Or if we're still already feeling awake and we don't want to get back into bed because we'll fall asleep, then what we can do is, nice and easy, don't just plop it down because you might hurt yourself in the morning, but just get your foot up, straighten yourself out, straight back, and then that's it. You don't need to stretch anything else. You should feel it underneath here. If you feel it at your knee or by your foot or your ankle, that's okay. That just means that there needs to be another stretch going on, and that's fine. You want to take breaths. Every time you stretch, let it go down nice and slow. And then the same thing. More controlled movement means more controlled throughout your day. That's all it is. You're bringing awareness to your body. You're letting your body feel good in the morning, so it'll feel good for the rest of the day. Now I feel this stretch more in the hamstring, which is exactly how I was saying. One's going to be more tired than the other. And that's it. And this does help my lower back. I can feel a little bit in my lower back as well. And then nice and slow, you can do a little jog in place, and then take your shower.